Doon palang bababa yun. Di ba? Tan, 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 tan. Open lang to. Hindi naman ako nagpalit eh. 1, 2, 3. Wait! You can't stop the... Hindi. Di ba meron pa? The ocean. Di ba? You can't stop ocean. Yun na yun eh. Tuloy-tuloy. May wala ng beat yun eh. You can't stop the ocean. Di ba? Walang beat. Yung unang may beat. Yung dulo. So, you can't stop the ocean. Ocean. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. So, bali to, you can't stop kanan. Shake. Mag-shake kayo, girls. Yan. Very good. Okay. After that, what's next? Lyrics. Ano yung lyrics?
You can't stop the ocean.
The sun and...
You can't stop the ocean. You can stop the motion of the ocean and the sun and the sky. You can wonder if you want to.
You can wander.
You can wonder if you want to, but you never. That's why.
If you want to know, if you know.
Hindi niya lang lyrics.
Alam po, nagmi-mix up lang po. And if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in
So
your
hold.
eye.
If you try to hold me, spin in my
me
heart. Artehan niyo kaya.
Spit in my eye.
Your eye and say,
You can't stop. Okay. The you can stop is a palm, is a palo. You can't. Ito, yung can't. You can't stop. Ito lang. Hindi ako nagpalit ng paa, see? Para madali nga sa inyo eh. You can't stop the beat. So, yan. Pag ginanon nyo, iganon nyo yung ano nyo, parang, yan, the beat. Tapos na travel na. Okay? From the top, let's go. Girls' confidence, please. There's none. Mas maluwag to sa stage, masikip lang here. Pero mas maluwag doon, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Play music. Ano? Anong meron? Cut! Cut.
May ginagawa tayo dyan.
Alam mo, pag may nagkamali ng isa, you will do it all over again. So, kung sino man yung nagkakamali na isa, maawa ka sa ibang kasama mo. Dahil uulit ako sa umpisa, kahit nasa gitna na tayo, uulit ako sa umpisa. Hindi ko papalampasin. Ulit. Laan yung nagkamali ka ng paa, ulit. Take your time. One.
Good. Go. Now.
You can try to stop the seasons fall, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, I just cannot stand still. 'Cause the world is spinning round and round, and the heart gets rocked with the speed of sound. Lost in a
Lagi ka nakatingin sa kanya.
way. 'Cause you can't stop the motion.
This is the first song we got. I want my body to shake it, shake it, shake it, so I'm gonna shake it, shake it,
Yesterday, you can't stop the motion of the ocean of the summer sky. You can wonder if you wanna, but you never respond. And if you try to hold me down, gonna spit in your eye and say, you can't stop the beat.
Girls, kumakanta kayo dun, di ba? Hindi boys. Na-overpower kayo ng boys. Kumakanta kayo dun dapat. Di ba yun yung ad-lib kayo? Para may time sa boys, para makuha nyo kung saan yung tempo nila. Kaya pinapa-ad-lib ko kayo. Pagdating yung pangalawa, yung the ocean na yun. Yun yung may choreography kayo, right? Sa ocean. Okay. Ano yun natin? You're too malikot. Control it. But you can move your hips while you're singing here. Masyado kang ano? Ala! Sige, para kang popcorn. Oo. Tanggalin muna. Pwedeng